Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to buy a domain on GoDaddy? In this tutorial, we will show you how to find, purchase and manage your domain using GoDaddy's platform. Follow along for a step-by-step guide. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. First thing guys, make sure to open GoDaddy.com. Right after that, you simply have to go ahead and log into your account. So this is my account, I have logged into it. Then to buy a domain, you simply have to go to domains and search for domain names. Right after that, click here into the search bar and write a domain name that you will or you want to use as your domain. So for example, for me, I'm going to use Team Esport Cup and let's search for the best domains. So there we go. Now I'm gonna close it, and as you can see, the best thing about GoDaddy, that's the fact that it is a platform that is made by default for domain names and acquiring them. Then the hosting and basically WordPress thing and page building and website creation has come to it. So GoDaddy's mainly project was domains. That is why when you try to buy a domain in GoDaddy, there will be much more offers and discount than any other platform. For example, you could buy a domain in here for $1, which is the teamscup.online. As you can see, for the first year you can own this domain for $1. On the other hand, if you went to another platform that is not made for selling domains but yet they are trying to sell them, then you will have to pay at least the like 10 times more than that. Like for example, it's gonna be $9 or at least $20. So you got the idea. Now here in this area, you will be able to find several things. One of them is teamsesportcup.com. For example, here we have this offer. You will be buying this website for 0.01 cents. Now guys, put your precautions, because this is a contract deal, not a normal deal. The first time once you saw this price, you will be, that's amazing, this is a great deal. But always notice and read the small letters that are below the price. So that deal is a contract for a 3 years term. The first year you are only going to be paying 0.01 cents, and for the second and third year you will have to pay $22. Now we have here a similar plan. For example, you could buy a bundle that has .org, .net, .info and .xyz. It will come for $22.22 for the first year, but the second year and the rest of the years you will be paying $102.96. So here, for example, you will have several things to actually have and use. For example, here we have several domains, and guys, make sure that the extension of your domain is very matching your business. For example, if your website is a shop, you could go for that shop. If your website is a store, you could go for that store. If you have like a portfolio, then you could go for .me or for .com. If you have tech or AI, then you could go for .ai or .tech or even .bot. So there will be several extensions with several like domains, so you can choose the best one that can represent and give an idea and an image about your website before getting into it. For example, when we are talking about OpenAI, which is the company of ChatGPT, then we are expecting it to have an AI. So the domain itself can represent the company and give an idea before getting into the site. So this is very important. If you have, for example, a football team, you could go for a club. For example, FC something club, and there is a bunch of offers right here. Now let's try to buy a domain. For example, I'm gonna go with teamscup.online. I'm gonna click right here And once I have added to my cart, let's go to the checkout. So the view cart, and as you can see here, let's go into the cart, and there is several things that you have to make sure. First of all, if there is any add-ons that you don't want, make sure to remove them. For example, here you will have a free or no, it's not free, it is $11 plus, so no thanks for full domain protection. Tell the world your site is coming soon, include the domain, with credibility, with a custom email address. In case you would like a custom email address, then you can get it. And that's pretty much it. This is what you have to change. Then continue to cart, and here you will find the real stuff that you have to change, which are the years. Since here we have seen only $1 for the domain, but we are looking here and the total is actually 200. So what's really going on here? Well, do not be afraid. We are simply gonna change it right through here. Click here, change 1 year, and as you will notice, the price will go all the way down to 0.99 as it was at the beginning. Also guys, if you want any add-ons, do not hesitate to get them. If you want the full domain protection, then of course you could get it. So I'm just remove them, so people who want the much less, the much minimum, they know how to get into that without paying any extra fees. Once you are ready to pay, you can use, in case you had any kind of a promo code, paste it right here. You could use an extension that is called Honey, which basically gives rewards once you buy something through like the web, and this code that you are earning, you can literally use it for purchases or future purchases online. Now once you buy the domain, so you can click on then checkout, then put your informations, you will find it in your products. So go to your products, and right through that you will find here your domain name. You can click here to manage it, and you will find all the information needed by your domain. So for example, if it wanted to be auto-renewed, turn it on, it will expire, this is the date, renewal cost, this is how much you will pay per year. If you want to list it for sale, then you can go right here and list it for sale. You can here like get started and sell it. You can change here the DNS record, so you can make it connected to another platform and use it as your URL, and this pretty much it. So you could go through these options by your own self and discover them by your own. And yeah guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. This is how you can buy a domain and obtain it in GoDaddy.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial.